see if may charge na siya. Oh! I can hear it. Parang scary. Hey guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, today's vlog is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna do an unboxing video. Okay, wala lang. Because, you know, it was 11/11 and it's like the biggest sale for the online shopping world. And yeah, I'm gonna give you an unboxing video for all the things that I got from the 11/11 sale from Lazada. So, let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I got, let's start with the biggest. Okay, this one. This is actually for my dogs. This is shampoo. It's 1 gallon of shampoo for the doggies. Because you know they go through shampoo so fast. And yeah, I'm gonna try to insert a screenshot of the prices and stuff. Basta alam ko, I think this is like 100 plus now. Not really sure. It's alive. It's a bottle of Magic the Cacao shampoo, and it comes with 2 free bars of soap. Yeah, bigat. Mabango naman ata. Okay. Next. Okay, so this is a bag full of Lazada stuff. Let's go. Surprise na lang. Hindi ko na siya babasahin. Okay. So this one, oh, it's my mic. So I'm gonna have a new mic for my vlog. So this is the Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid microphone. Yeah, this one. Okay, buksan ko. It's the mic that most vloggers use. At least those who are just starting, because it's quite affordable. This one. It's my hair curlers. How come it came with this labo? But yeah, this is what I bought. Because you know, I have bangs. Let me try. It's too small. Something like that. May nangyari ba? Mas gumulo lang yung hair. Okay, so may bonus akong cloth. Labo. Oh, phone stands. Foldable phone stands. So I bought 4. So yeah, I'm gonna give them away to family and friends. Yeah, I think these were like really cheap. That's why I bought 4. Not sure. What's this? Oh, this one's for me. This one's my new phone stand. This is the phone stand that I bought. Dami kong phone stand na binili. Wala lang, ngayon ko lang kasi na-realize na ang useful pala ng phone stand. Especially when you're like working or studying. You wanna multitask. Let's see, this is silver. Is silver now? Maybe. This is what it looks like. Pwede rin siyang nakatayo. It's like Christmas here. Dami kong binubuksan. I bought it all, but not reading the label, so it's like surprise. Oh, this one. Another thing for my vlogging. It's like a tripod, a mini tripod. Here, it's a mini tripod. So I hope it's gonna be good enough for my camera. My camera is pretty small, so I don't think it can take it. One. Oh, this one's for mom. Her Yoga Love cooling cream. There. Super favorite niya to. Because para sa frozen shoulder niya. And it is, what is this? Menthol, because it's like a panghirog for massage. I don't know. Yeah, it smells good, and it's hard to find kasi in stores. So thank you, Lazada, that you went on sale. Guys, ang dami talaga. Promise. But they're like really small stuff. Oh, this one. It's a nose hair trimmer. Yeah. For those annoying strands of hairs that stick out. Then it works. I think this wasn't super expensive, so I think we'll be okay as long as it works. Instructions are in Chinese. Oh no! Nice, may warranty siya. The thing, and this is the item. Let's see if my charge. Oh, hear it. Thanks, game. So that's that. I think I have one last try. This one is also a gift, not for me. It's our gift for Mew Mew. I think this is it. Where's the box? This is it. It's LED lights. She can install sa room niya. Comes with a remote and an app, the plug. So yeah, hindi ko na siya i-unbox because it's a gift. So I want her to be the one to unbox it. So yeah, that's it. I think the total amount that I spent during the sale was around 3,000 plus. So less than 4K for all these stuff that I bought, including the 2 watch straps that I bought that aren't here yet. Yung for my Mi Band 4. Yeah, I bought two new watch straps. So I got a rose gold and the silver one. So that hindi naman puro pink lang yung choice ko. So yeah, that's my first unboxing video ever. I hope you enjoyed this and let me know what you got from the 11/11 sale in the comments down below. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!